Hello, today we learning match the letters with alphabets. Purple color, red color, black color, green color, blue color. Let's match the letters with pictures. Blue color, A. Blue color, A. Match A for apple. Match the fruits. A for apple. Next words B. Green color, B. Match the fruits. B for banana. B for banana. Next words C. Black color, C. Match the picture. C for cow. C for cow. Next D. Purple color, D. Match the picture. D for dog. D for dog. Next letter E. Red color, E. Match the picture. E for egg. E for egg. A for apple. B for banana. C for cow. D for dog. E for egg. Like and subscribe.